Hey everybody, I wanted to take a second to go through the week 9 office visit to make sure we understand where all these come from. I'm going to walk through an answer or the solution. Graph the function f of x equals 4x squared plus 11x minus 45. So we're going to go into our y equals, we're going to put this function in 4x squared plus 11x minus 45, and we go ahead and we graph that. And I don't think I'm in the standard viewing window, so to get back to if you want to see the standard viewing window, here's what you see. Zoom 6 gets you back there. And then it says, since this is a blank, well, this is a quadratic. I saw some people say squared function. Remember, second degree stuff is quadratic. The function can have 2 zeros. Cite the x-intercepts and check your table for one integer 0. It is blank. So look over here. When it says cite the x-intercepts, we can see we have one x-intercept right here and we have one over here. This one looks like it might be a whole number. It's somewhere in the negatives, so let's take a look at the table and see if we can find that 0. All right, so I'm going to scroll through. We thought you can kind of see down here, I got that picture. It looks like it might be at -5, and when you go up here, we can verify that -5 is the integer 0. Remember, an integer is a whole number, something that's not a fraction. An integer is negatives or positives or 0, but like 25 or -5 whole numbers, positive or negative. So that's the first part. Now it says use second calc blank to find a non-integer 0. So let's go back at the graph. We need to go find this other one, so we're going to use second calc. We're going to go to our calc menu and we're going to use 0. So 2, you can hit the number 2. So you can see I filled out here 2, 0 is what you would press to find the non-integer 0. Type a left boundary of blank. So what I'm saying is you're looking for this one right here. So a left boundary, you can go anywhere from along here, so anywhere between 2 and let's say -4. So that's why I said anywhere between 2 and -4. I'm just going to pick 1 because that's somewhere in that range. So that's my left bound. You can see it puts this little left bound for we need to be inside those arrows, and then it says hit enter. Type in a right bound, anything bigger than 3. So you look a right bound, we can do anything over here. So I'm going to hit 3. And you can kind of see, you see these arrows are going to drop right down and it's going to find that 0. So you need to give it, the window to look for that one. And we hit enter one more time for guess. So you hit enter a total of 3 times. Left bound, enter, right bound, enter, enter one more time. And we can see that the non-integer 0 is 2.25. That's one that's not going to show up in the table, so we need to be able to use the calculator to graph that.